Meaning of hat trick.
Hat trick.
Hat trick.
Hat trick.
Hat trick. The term hat trick is commonly used in sports, particularly in football, soccer, cricket, and hockey, to describe the achievement of scoring 3 goals or taking 3 wickets in a single match. The term is said to have originated in cricket, where a bowler who took 3 wickets in 3 consecutive deliveries was presented with a hat. The modern usage of the term has extended to other sports and refers to any player who achieves the feat of scoring 3 times in a match. It is considered a significant accomplishment and usually results in the player receiving recognition, praise, and often a trophy or award.